Welcome to Superb Story Session, a time where we become thought leaders. We listen to wonderful, beautiful life skills, life's value-filled stories. We draw life skills out of them, moral stories, moral values, and we become thought leaders. Yes, let's begin. This is a story of a battleship. The captain of the battleship was navigating the ship. He was at the dock and he was there. And what happened? It was raining heavily that day. Very foggy, very raining. The visibility was very, very less. In the very far distance, they could see a very small, tiny light. Tiny light. Okay. The ocean was merciless. The waves were very, very strong, cyclonic storm, and the battleship was keeping itself steady and it was going. So the captain made an announcement. Captain announced, sent out a voice message on the radio to the other ship in the opposite. It says, move 20 degree to your right. Move 20 degree to the right. We are on a collision course. We are on a collision course. We will have a accident. We are this thing. Okay. The opposite side, from the other side, from the radio, within 30 seconds, one voice came. You please move 30. You please move 20 degree right. And so the battleship, this is a battleship. And after hearing that, what is this? Why is this guy giving me a command? He said, this is the captain. This is the captain of this so-and-so battleship. I command you to move. I command you to move 20 degrees, 20 degrees right immediately. Okay, literally there was threat in the voice. This is the captain of the ship and of this battleship, and I command you to move 20 degrees right. This guy was quiet. And then again, 30 seconds later, he said, I am second rank officer, and I command you to move 20 degree right. Okay. Now the captain of the battleship was very furious. He was angry. How come a second rank officer, not even first rank? And I'm who? I'm the captain of the ship. Second rank officer is way, way below. Literally nothing. He's commanding me. What is this? He finally picks up and the radio and he says, don't you understand that this is the final warning to you? Move 20 degrees. This is this battleship, and don't engage with us. Move 20 degrees right now. The captain yells at that, giving him a very big threat or something like that. There is a silence. And the ship is moving towards the target, and they're moving. And then finally, it's this, sir, you are the captain of the ship. I understand. I cannot move. I am a lighthouse. I suggest you only move. The captain realized, and he moved. The captain of the battleship realized that, yeah, this is something that I can't command, and it moved right 20 degrees. Otherwise, the collision course, whatever happened, the battleship would have been completely destroyed, because the opposite thing was a ship. Was it a ship? No. What was it? It was a lighthouse. Yeah. So what did we learn from this story? Come on, quickly. We have made it a very short story because we're a little behind. Let's begin. Yeah.
Coach, think before you do something.
Think before you do something.
Coach, instead of coming to conclusions, look at it in all of perspectives.
Look up in all of the perspective.
Coach, treat everyone equally.
Treat everyone equally. Very nice.
Coach, observe and take the right decision.
Yes, keep your observations very high. Very nice.
Coach, you should observe.
Elish?
You should observe.
You must observe. Very nice.
Don't compare yourself with others.
Dutik says don't compare with anybody else. Very nice.
Always think before you do something.
Always think before you do something. Very nice. This story depicts about ego. Yes. We are talking about ego here. What is ego? Ego is we strongly believe something that we are not, and we die fighting for it. We strongly believe something that we are not, and we die protecting it. We fight to protect it, and we die with it. Isn't it? That is what is ego. We believe, oh, I'm this, I'm that, and all the thing. I'm captain of the ship. I'm a high court judge. I am this minister. I'm this. I'm a boss. I'm a manager, and all the thing. I'm a teacher. This is all ego. We believe that this is true, and obviously we know nothing is true, and we know that the biggest truth is that we are just equals. We are human beings, and it's just a matter of position, isn't it? The challenge comes here is we die protecting it. We fight. No, I'm right. I'm wrong. See what is the biggest loss of holding on to egos? What is the biggest loss? Tarun, what is the biggest loss when you hold on to ego, when there are ego fights? I am right, you're wrong. Ego is that right? I'm right, you're wrong. What is the biggest loss? Anybody?
Coach, we lose something.
We lose something, yeah.
Relationship.
Relationships is the biggest loss. How could he say like this to me? He doesn't know who I am. Does he think, what is this? He's nothing. What happens is we lose relationships. Yeah. Wonderful. We are already a little behind. We are going to give it to Yukta again. Yukta in Vajrasana, please. Turn on the mics. Yukta, don't keep it like this.
Yeah, yes.
Sit in Vajrasana. Yes. Yeah. Tarun, we are wonderful. Great Vajrasana. Very nice. She sitting in Vajrasana, dear. Wonderful. Over to Yukta.
Let's start the Ashram meditation.
Keeping her eyes closed and being still. Srinadana still. Improves her willpower, improves her focus and concentration. Sit still, only focus on your breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yukta doing really well, sitting straight, avoid any movements. Focusing on your breath brings you in the present moment, in the here and now. Let's start with alternate nasal breathing. Hands straight. Left in, right out. You hands straight here.
Let's start with our bee breathing. 6 counts. Hum. 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 Hum.
Energizer.
Let's start with energizer. Let's start with our gratitude.
Lock your arms.
Thank yourself. Thank yourself for
Person.
being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank yourself for always being focused on your goals. Thank yourself for always being focused on yourself. Thank yourself for always taking care of everyone, for always being kind, for always being considerate, for always being compassionate. Thank yourself for always making the right choices, for always making wise decisions. Thank yourself for having a golden mindset, a winning mindset. Thank yourself for always looking through everyone's perspectives before judging. Thank yourself for always being kind, for not coming to assumptions. Thank you to Bliss for support, your mommy and dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now thank thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches for always leading you in the right direction, for always pushing you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul with a purpose, a soul with a why, a soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, visualize the bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light. This bright white light goes to your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully blessed with the bright white light. Now, I would like you to mind to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize the long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start. Now, let go of your hands in your heart, and repeat after me. I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm compassionate.
I'm compassionate.
I make wise choices.
I make wise choices.
I'm a solution-oriented person.
I'm a solution-oriented person.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
And I'm a superb human.
I am a superb human.
Ready to claps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. Last one. Second one. Last one. Open your eyes, please. What's about this?
Everybody live powerfully, live purposefully. You are indeed a superwoman. Have a great day. Thank you, Yukta. Can we give Yukta a big round of applause for leading? See you tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.